Welcome, in front of me is an LG Q60, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up the Settings app, and from here navigate into the General category, where you will find Storage. And in the Storage you have the External, where you should see your SD card. So tap on it, and it will take you to the SD card itself. And here you want to tap on the three dots and go to the Storage Settings. And as you can see right here, you have the option to format, so tap on that. It will give you a message that performing this will basically remove all the data from it. So if there is anything that you would like to keep on that SD card, you might want to back it up before you begin, otherwise you will lose it. But assuming you have already done that or you don't want to back it up, tap on Format, the process will begin, and it's a fairly quick one. It should only take about a couple of seconds, and once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used as it is right now. Click on Done and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.